This is the seat off my 2007 Honda Recon. It's seen better days. This is some duct tape I found in my shop. There's some black and there's some white. And this is the least expensive seat cover I could find on Amazon. Let's take all these items and see if we can make this guy better. Let's get to work. Well, I had fully planned on using this seat cover. However, this seat cover requires a seat that has the bent over spikes in it, so you can stretch it around, pop it over those spikes, and then bend the spikes back down. This seat has staples, so it's not the manufacturer's fault, it's nobody's fault. This has staples, and once I pull the staples out, I don't have any way to put staples back in. So what I've done is I've gone to an even less expensive seat cover. And I would show you the packaging it came in. Well, I'm going to show you the packaging it came in. It came in this package, which is literally a bag that is pretty disgusting. Anyway, it's only $15, so I'm not going to blame them for this. While I've never done this before, I don't think it's going to be too much of a challenge. You know, if it wasn't for the sun and heat, I think this would be okay, but eventually all the glue will come out of here and stick to your legs. So we're going to put this on, and it says front. It says grab it by the front. And well, let's undo the clips inside. I mean, this is This is pretty basic, but that's okay. It's absolutely fine. So this is the front, this is the front. We're gonna pull it over here. There you go. Try to get it lined up fairly straight. And I hope there's a strap right at this curve that will allow, let's flip it over. There you go. And see, these here are those staples I was talking about. So I just don't have a way to deal with that. Not the manufacturer's fault. Oh good, that does have a strap there. So let's get these clipped up. And pull tight. Now you got to be careful because here's your spikes back here that your seat goes into and your lock. So I don't know what we're going to do about those. Well, we'll get the lock exposed. So the lock's out. And we'll just kind of set those on the back there for now. And the strap here we'll put in front of it. And as soon as I put this on, I'll flip it over and you'll see the very first impressions of this before we even do any tweaking to get it to fit and to look halfway decent. And I'm just gonna get these guys tight. Okay, so just tuck this up under, and flip it over just to see where we're at. And it is not perfect. It's crooked actually, so the crooked I have to fix. But it's this back one here. So it's got to go this way. That should do it. And I'm not trying to do something high-end or fancy here. Basically, I just don't want a seat that's gonna hurt my legs or my kids' legs when they ride it. So, and there it is. Is it perfect? Nope. Is it better than when we started? Yeah. And I'll play with this some more, and then I'll get it fitted on the Honda, and I'll bring you back and I'll show you what the final results here look like. Okay? Be right back. Well, here it is. Here's the results. It's not perfect by any means, but for $15 and 15 minutes of my time, it's acceptable. Could I have spent more money and time on it and got a better result? Yeah, but this is good enough for me. You have to realize, I use this around the farm. I'm not trying to impress my friends with it. Anyway, it's not perfect, but we made progress, and thanks for watching.